Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do 100 LeetCode challenge. Today we have a question is reverse linked list. And this question is really good for any people who want to start doing linked list questions. And also this question is commonly asked by a lot of companies. You can see it from here. And it's good to know and start it easy one first. And the input is going to be a single linked list, and what you need to do is output a reverse version. You can pause the video to think about the logic, how to operate, and after you're ready, you can start. Basically, to break this question down, I give this note right here. You can see this example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0 as an input. So we output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Starting with that, we have to borrow one of the list node. We started with 0. And what we can do is start grabbing everything from the second node and bring it to here. So we point the first node, which is hat, to the one that we prepare. We can call it its dummy or output. In here, we point the hat to the output. So it will look like we're building something from the output. And after that, we can make a hat pointed to this node, starting from 2. And next next transaction, so we have the output looking like this, and the hat looks like this. And what we can do is repeat the whole process again by pointing 3 to output. Oh, actually 2 to output, because we add 2 right now. Yeah, and point 2 to output will look like this at the end of the second transaction. So hat will look starting from 3, 4, 5, and 0. So just keep looping until the hat is equal to 0. So this is the logic of this question. So let's code this out. Like what we said, we have a list node, which is output is equal to 0 right now. No, see, hold on. Okay. No. So we have a while loop to check if hat when it's not no. So we'll keep looping. We will need the list node of temporary is equal to hat dot next. I'll give that example again so you can see what I'm doing. So grab this to a temporary to keep that in the temporary right now. So we can point the hat dot next equal to output. So we point hat dot next will be output node right here. So it looks like this. Output will look like that now. After you point it to that one, what we need to do is so output is equal to hat. So output will be looks like this. So output currently pointing to no. So you want to update the output be 1 and no. After update that one, and then hat should be equal to temp right now. Like head will look like this, and also update the head. So after that, so you have output updated, you have head updated. See what's missing. That should be good, right? Good. Comment all this out. Yeah, it just looks like this. Hopefully this video helped you to understand how they operated and pass all the tests. So if you have further questions, please comment below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.